Welcome back. In the previous part of this conversation, we talked about fear and confidence when speaking English.
Yes, and we also explained an important idea. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. It usually comes after practicing many times.
Exactly. The more you speak, the more natural it feels.
Now we want to explore something very practical.
Real-life speaking situations.
Because many learners ask the same question: how can I practice speaking English in real life?
Let's start with a common situation. Meeting someone for the first time.
This can happen at school, at work, while traveling, or even online.
And many learners feel nervous during that first conversation.
But actually, starting a conversation can be very simple.
Let's demonstrate. Example conversation. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ethiopia. How about you?
I'm from Canada.
That's interesting. What brings you here?
This is a simple conversation, but it is very natural.
Yes, and notice something important. The sentences are short.
Short sentences are powerful. You don't need complicated grammar to communicate.
Follow-up questions are the secret to longer conversations.
A follow-up question is a question that continues the topic. For example, if someone says, I recently started learning English, you can ask, how has that experience been?
Or, what made you start learning English?
These questions show curiosity.
And curiosity keeps conversations alive.
Another challenge learners face is when they don't understand something.
Yes, this happens to everyone. Even advanced learners sometimes miss words.
The important thing is to ask politely for clarification.
Useful phrases. Could you repeat that, please? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you say that again more slowly?
These phrases help you continue the conversation instead of feeling stuck.
And most people are happy to repeat themselves. Lucas, I want to share a story from one of my students.
I love hearing these stories. What happened?
This student told me that she avoided speaking English for years
Why?
because she was afraid of making mistakes.
That's very common.
One day, she decided to challenge herself. She started speaking English every day with small conversations.
What kind of conversations?
Simple ones: greeting people, ordering food, asking small questions.
And what happened after that?
After a few months, she noticed something amazing. Speaking English started to feel natural.
That's a powerful transformation. Sarah, I think many learners focus too much on mistakes.
Yes, and that can slow progress.
Instead, they should focus on communication.
Exactly. Communication is about sharing ideas, not about being perfect.
Think about children learning their first language.
They make many mistakes, but they keep speaking.
And eventually, they become fluent.
Let's practice some useful sentences. Repeat after us.
Hi, it's nice to meet you.
What do you do?
That sounds interesting.
Can you tell me more about it? Practicing these phrases helps your brain remember them during real conversations.
Sarah, I want to ask you a deeper question. Why do you think learning a language is so meaningful?
That's a beautiful question. Learning a language opens doors.
What kind of doors?
Doors to new cultures, new friendships, new opportunities.
And new perspectives.
Exactly. Language allows us to understand people from different backgrounds.
It connects the world.
To everyone watching this video, remember something important.
Confidence grows through action.
The more you speak, the more comfortable you become.
Don't wait for perfect English.
Start speaking with the English you already know.
If you are enjoying this long conversation lesson,
Support the channel.
you can help us by liking this video, sharing it with another English learner, and subscribing to the channel.
Your support helps us create more deep English lessons like this.
In the next part, we will talk about something even more important.
Yes, we will discuss how to keep conversations going for a long time.
And we will share advanced tips for sounding more natural in English.